get you on camera a little bit. It is slick. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's real slick. But fuck it. We're having fun. We're on 19. We are heading. We're gonna run this out. Come out to the other side of the cemetery. Then we'll probably work our way back up to the cemetery and have a beer and check the air pressure on that tire and stuff. It looks like it's holding up so far. We had to put some slime in it and shit. We had to put some slime in it. And it seemed like it started holding, so we're staying close. You know, we're obviously not going to ride in Paradise, just in case. But, yeah. We'll make the best out of a bad situation. You know, it's not cold, it's just wet, which is good. You know, I put my jacket on just to, find neutral, just to, try to stop from getting wet. Which, there's not much you can do to stop from getting wet. But hopefully we come across old Dwayne and his group. They're gallivanting around somewhere in Pocahontas. And I actually think we're technically on a closed trail. But the way we came in, it wasn't closed, so fuck them. Try to keep the camera clear. Probably fogging up. Woohoo! Got all kinds of shit hanging from my handlebars and whatnot. I saw that, Maynard. Oh, he's just getting antsy in his pantsy. Oh shit, there's a tree there. You know, he came all this way. He didn't come this way not to ride. Oh shit! I don't remember this being that gnarly. I got you! You would have cleared it if you wouldn't have slung sideways. Oh, that's a fun trail, man. Slick as shit, but fun. Are you all right? It looked like it was in slow motion, so. And I think this is actually a closed trail. Holy shit, what gear are we in?
I was looking through that coming up that hill, like, God damn, oh, fuck!